Every day, when you return home, your house is filled with a furry burst of joy. The moment you open the door, your tail-wagging canine companion greet you with a boundless enthusiasm. Together, you embark on a happy routine that fill your day with a warmth and love. Whether it's a playful romp in the park and cozy cuddle or the couch or shared walk in the evening sun, this simple moment with your dog create a happiness that overflow. Your pet dog is more than just a pet. It's a furry ambassador of joy. Makes every day an adventure. One rainy afternoon, you settle down with a good book and a steaming cup of hot chocolate. But you're not alone. Your furry friend curls up beside you and resting contentedly on your lap as the rain patters against the window. You absent-mindedly scratch behind their ears, and a soft sigh escapes their muzzle. In that quiet moment, surrounded by warm and the comforting presence of your dog, you realize that true happiness can be found in the simple things. Years go by and your dog may grow a little older, their playful lips replaced by a gentler gait. Yet their love for you remains constant. They greet you at the door with a same wagging tail, their eyes sparkling with the same devotion. Every walk together become a cherished memory, a test to the unwavering bond you share. Through thick and thin, your dog is your loyal companion. They are there to celebrate your victories, to unrestrained joy, and to offer silent support during your times of need. Their unconditional love is a source of strength and comfort. A beautiful reminder that you are never truly alone. Please subscribe and like and share my story if you like this kind of story. Thank you for watching.